Alright guys, today I'm just going to show you how to replace is a Mercedes is a GL450. Guys, this is the suspension. This is the suspension, guys, which is airmatic, the pump. So guys, you come to the passenger side, just right here next to the passenger tire. So first things first, guys, if you have a lift like me, guys, what you do, you just lift up your car on the lift. You don't need to remove this tire. You just take it aside, you just turn it. You turn it like this. So when it's turned like this, guys, you have access here. There's a 10mm right here. There's a 10mm right here. There are two 10mm, guys. These are not there, so I'll just take out this 10 and 10. And then, guys, I come down here, some 10mm, and then something is missing right here. So I have to take the 10, and then I take this 10, and then another 10 right here. So once that is done, guys, alright, so you come right here, you take this 10, take this 10mm away. So I put that one away, and guys, you come right here, take that out. Once that's out of the way, guys, you take this cover, you just put it like that from down there, and then this cover, guys, comes as a whole. So guys, I'll cover right there. So guys, we have this space right here, guys. So what we do, we're gonna be this is our pump, guys. This is right here. So what we do, guys, there's some bolts here. So I have to lift the car all the way up, and then, guys, I'll show you what to do next. Guys, once our car is lifted all the way, so we'll have to take this 10mm right here. There's another 10 right here. They're 3 in number, and then guys, there's the last one right over there. You can see behind those electrical wire is just behind there. So but first thing first, guys, we have to take out this this is a 12mm which goes to this air hose. We have to take this one out, and then we have to take out, guys, these two connectors. There's one connector right there, and then there's a second connector right there. You have to take them apart. And then, guys, the last thing, we have to take this air hose. This is from the cleaner, which cleans up there. So we have it right there up there, guys. So make sure, guys, when you're putting it back, you make sure this thing doesn't have cracks, so that it doesn't spoil your air compressor pump. So what we do, guys, is we take that one out. This is the first one. Then we take this second one, guys, right from here to pull it away, so our connectors are free. So guys, we come right here, we take this emitter out. So guys, this is the 12mm. So you just just take it out. So guys, this is the 12mm. That's the 12mm right there. So we just open it up. Alright, guys, once this is done, you just pull it away from here like that, get it out of the way. So guys, when you make sure these two guys are out, and then that one right here is out, you just take this guy out. This is the last one. And you just take something like this, the grip pliers. You take this guy like this, you take it out of the way, and then, guys, you just disconnect like that. Just put it on the side. And once that is done, guys, you can take the 10mm all around, the 3 of them, so you can take them out. So guys, you can begin with the inner one right here. I don't know if you guys can see it right up there. It's right there. And then, guys, make sure you follow the stuff which falls down. Make sure, guys, you keep watch of this. Don't let it get lost, because you'll still use it to put it back. Okay, guys, we take this one out of the way. Right like that. So you have that. You can just pull it like that and take it out. Then we do our last one right here, guys, and then be careful to hold it back. So once this one comes out like that, guys, make sure this thing is going to rest like that. don't let it fall down, or somebody should help you out. But because I opened both sides at the same time and the other one is down, it's not gonna fall down, it's gonna be sticky up there. So I'll just pull them out right now and I'll show you how. So guys, what you do, you just take these guys out like that, and then hold it gently, then hold this one too like that, and then just guys take it slowly from the side like this, and then guys just like that, our pump is out. So this is our pump, guys. Show you how it looks like in the moment. Alright guys, this is how pump looks like when it's out. So these are the three positions you get the thing from. Then guys, there are the two connectors, and then guys, this is the guy, this is where you open this is where the air goes to, and guys, this is the air inlet from the outside, and the pump should be good to go. So okay, make sure guys you have all these things together. If the new pump comes with this, you make sure you place them, and make sure guys, if the other one doesn't come with this one, guys, you need to transfer these guys to the new one. Alright, I hope this video really helps you out. Alright, see you next time.